And the primus just expresses the same tone twice. Boom, boom. No difference. That's what the prime is, huh? But we know, at least in eurythmy it's like that, and I'm pretty sure in we know it everywhere, that there are not two same things in the world. So if you say a prime is the same tone again, it sounds the same, there's no difference, but it's not the same. There's a mystery in it. And so it's a very simple exercise, or 2 to 3 very similar ones. Like playing the two tones, one after the other, but there's a secret in it. Okay, with this I would like to start. Just pin me with right mouse click, make me full screen, and decide yourself if you want to switch your camera off, or if we just enjoy being together in the same room. I don't need much floor because we are not walking a lot today, so we can work with this screen. Great. Okay, like always, just take a little bit of time to arrive at yourself. Let your inner react. Slowly turn the hands and just stream down through your body, within your bones. And enjoy how the body reacts. Practice astonishment about what you experience. One little step forward or backwards, once again. Arrive at yourself. Listen to the reactions. Try to be as much as possible within your body, within your bones when you stream downwards. And try to not stop streaming downwards while you perceive the reactions in your body. And start practicing being astonished, being amazed. And let go. Breathe. A little step forward. And let your breath react. Great. When we want to enter the realm of music, we must enter the realm of time. And that's not that difficult. Just feel, try to sense your shoulder girdle, the clavicles, the shoulder blades, the muscles on top, which keep the shoulders in their position. And then just stand there and try to feel these 3 elements. Just try to feel them, you don't have to manage. Just, okay. And breathe and relax. Isn't it like a little bit like the roof of a house? And then the body would be the house, yeah, a beautiful tall house, and there's a roof on top. So let's try to experience this maybe one time. There's a roof, and under this roof there's this house, and I can feel also the house and the roof on top. And again, relax. And now it starts, because now try just to think the thought, the roof carries the house. So that not the house is carrying the roof, but the roof is carrying the house. What happens if you have this thought in your mind, not only in your head, but also in your body consciousness? And then you feel to this roof up there, and then just allow the thought, oh, the roof carries the house. And feel the house and the roof carrying it. And then let go. And the exercise is just trying if this thought, if this attitude changes something in the body. And now you could discuss with me, is it nonsense what you ask us to do? And obviously it seems to be nonsense, because there's a house, the roof is on top, and if I take the house away, the roof will fall on the floor. Great. So it's clear the house carries the roof. But remember, we want to enter time. In time, it's the other way around. If you have a house with a roof on top, and you take the roof away after a few months, after half a year, after 3 or 4 years, the house will just become rotten. So in time, it's the roof which sustains, which carries the house. And just this feeling, yeah, we want to try if we can get a glimpse of that. One step forward, last repetition of this exercise. Just stand, recollect the starting exercise. Okay, I'm nicely upright. Okay, my roof. And how do I have to feel it? That I start to have the impression the house is hanging under this roof. The house is really carried by the roof. And I do not lift the shoulders. They are just like they are, as they are. I just sense them and search for this quality. The roof is carrying the house. And then I breathe and let go. Great! That was just the preparation, yeah, the prime feeling, yeah, the musical element of the prime. And now we have major and minor in music, and the U, I told you already, is going from me to me or from me to me. So we have this, I stand here, feel the roof, feel the house, and then use the left leg to make a step forward, and then just put the right leg slightly next to it. Not far, just that you have the feeling, hey, great, I'm ready for going out. And feel this readiness in your feet, in your hips, and also very strongly in your clavicles. And then put the right foot back and relax. Let's do it one more time. Yeah, that's the major feeling. I prepare myself for going out. Left, right. And then when you feel this joy, I'm ready to go out and I'm waiting for the driver to bring me somewhere. And you feel this joy in the clavicles. Your weight doesn't stay on the heels. Your weight is moved forward to the balls of your feet. And the heels hardly touch. They feel the ground, but they do not press against it anymore. That's the major prime. And then relax, put your foot back. And then to do the minor prime, that's I'm ready to welcome myself. It's not even I'm arriving at myself, but I let myself arrive at me. And for this, you put the right foot back, and the left foot relaxes, keeps contact with the floor, but just very slightly. And then you pull the left leg slowly towards the right leg until they are united again. Become in one in your feeling. Great. One more time, and the thought behind it is arrive. Right foot back, left foot, slowly pull towards it. Arrive. Feel this in your leg. Then it can expand in the whole body. And very naturally, the heels rest on the ground now, like two balls on one big ball. And you're one. And then relax, breathe, and sit down to listen to the resonance. How do you perceive your body now? What's going on in it? How does it react to what we did? And how much is left and right an issue now for you? And how much is the being a totality predominant? You are both. It's just what's in the foreground for you at the moment. And it's different for everybody of us. And when you look how you perceive your chest or the inner energy of your chest, of your lungs, do they more feel like flowing away, flying away, flowing out, or does it feel contained? Does it feel light or does it feel heavy? and in general, how to experience the presence of light and warmth in your body. What is stronger? Where to experience it? And how is it within your body, and how is it around your body?